Hey everyone, it is Friday, August 19th, and today's the opening day of the Canadian National Exhibition. And there's a look at the Alpine ride, and that runs along the south end of Exhibition Place. And I just finished recording a walk around the CNE grounds here on opening day. And I thought just before I head off and go back home, I'd go for a ride, so I've got 6 tickets in hand. I had to buy them 4 at a time. So it cost $5 for 4 tickets, so I paid $10 for 8, and I only need 6 of them. So I have 2 left over. Maybe I'll give them away. And for this one, I'm just going to record the ride from this spot over to the eastern end of the property. It must be 48 inches to ride, or accompanied by a responsible adult. I don't think that'll be a problem. And maybe we'll flash forward the video to the part where I get on the ride here. Yep.
Oh my God. Right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now.
And we are off.
Keep riding. Please remove your hands from the handrail.
I think the official name of this ride is the Skyway. There used to be an Alpine ride, I think it was called the Alpine Way, that was located just to the north of the property here. It would have been on the other side of what is now BMO Field. And that's where Exhibition Stadium used to be, and it was, at least if my memory serves correct, a much higher ride. I used to ride in these steel cages, and it would take you a greater distance across the CNE. I think that was torn down in 1994. So this is going to take us over in the midway. And BMO Field here is set up for Canadian football. I think the Argos are playing tomorrow. And if you get tickets to that event, that includes access to the CNE grounds. And they also have a game next Friday. That's also where the TFC of Major League Soccer play. Of course, that's where Exhibition Stadium used to be. I think it was a little more south of there. And that was home to the Blue Jays between 1977 and 1989. But they moved east of here, along with the Argos, into the Skynome, and that opened in 1989. And admission to the X today was just $13 as an opening day special. Normally it would be $25. I think it's $20 for kids 5 to 13, and $20 as well for those over 65. If you're under 5, it's free. And just on the north end of the stadium is the food building. I was just in there contemplating having a snack. Let's look to the south with Budweiser Stage off in the distance. There used to be a different ride operator here, and there was always a Schwarzkopf double looping roller coaster called the Doppel Looping, located right where that single loop coaster is. I don't know if that would be considered a coaster. There's the Niagara Falls Flume Ride. If you're curious about my walk around in the Canadian National Exhibition today, I'll probably have that uploaded a day after I upload this video. And if I remember to, I'll link to it in the description. That's the Crazy Mouse, a wild mouse coaster. That's where the Flyer used to be located, an old wooden roller coaster. Bumper cars. There's just a sea of games off in that direction. All of which I think you could safely say are rigged and quite difficult to win. And if you do win, the prize isn't really worth anything more than what you paid to play the game. I guess that's not really the point. So this event has been around since the late 1800s, but it was officially known as the CNE back in 1912. And it's only ever been closed for 4 years, 2 during World War II, I think in 1945 and 46, and the last 2 years, thanks to the pandemic. I think it brings in around $100 million in total to the city's economy. I could have gotten a rides pass, and that would have been $70. But most of the rides here are the sort of spinny, flip you around variety. And as I've gotten older, I've gotten more prone to motion sickness from those. I'm a big fan of roller coasters, but anything designed to just toss and turn me around, I'm not too fond of. There is the CN Tower off in the distance, so we are heading towards the Prince's Gates. There's a large beer garden. And a view to the west. That is the fabulously hideous Hotel X. And we begin our descent. This is my second time recording a ride on one of these things. I think I did one at Centerville Island last year. Probably an issue loading at one of the ends. I wonder what their evacuation plan would be if the motors failed.
For riding, please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Keep riding. Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left.
Well, there you go. A ride on the CNE's Sky Ride here on opening day. I'm going to make my way over and hop on a streetcar. And you can see how much longer the line is. It actually goes down quite a ways on this end. So a little pro tip, if you want to ride this, I would start where I did and ride it eastbound, or eastwards, however you want to say it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you wish to support the channel, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership in the description. And I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides. And there's now a super thanks button appearing below these videos. And don't forget to stay tuned for my walk around CNE on opening day. All right, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.